Hey Alex, today is Mom's birthday. I can't believe she turning 45 already.
I know, right? Flies. I really want to make this day super special for her.
Sam here. So let's talk about our daily routine first. What do you usually do in the mornings?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m., brush my teeth, and eat cereal for breakfast. After that, I get dresses and go to school. What about you?
I usually wake up around 6:30, take a quick shower, and help dog with breakfast. Then I grab my backpack and we leave together.
That's true. In the afternoon, I normally do my homework and play some video games. And you?
I usually study a bit and then I walk the dog. Sometimes I help mom in the kitchen too.
Nice. Okay, now let's focus on the party. What are you doing right now to prepare?
And right now I'm decorating the living room. I'm putting a balloon and streamer. Look at these colorful ones.
Wow, they look great. I'm baking the chocolate cake. It's in the oven and it smells amazing.
And are you using the new recipe?
Yes, I found it online. And I also making a fruit salad as a healthy option.
Nice. I'm sitting the table too, placing the plates, napkins, and cooks. Oh, and I arranging the proper month lines.
Good idea. By the way, are you helping that with the music?
Yes, we're choosing song from my favorite playlist. I connecting the speaker now.
Perfect. Is mom still at the supermarket?
Yes, cheese. Cheese wish on Maria. So we probably have one more hour.
That's great. I'm grouping the persons. If we go three, give ready. Want to help me grab the last one?
Sure. I love his rapping. Are you reading the Birder cartoon?
Yes, I'm writing. Sometimes really sweet and personal. I think she'll love it.
She will. I also made a little photo collage with our best family picture. We can show into here later.
Oh, text. So wait. I'm sure she's going to cry. Happy tears, of course.
Totally. Are you nervous?
A little, but more excited than nervous. I just want everything to go perfectly.
Me too. Alright, let's finish up and get ready to you surprise.
Let's do it. Happy birthday, Mom. We love you.